Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over how to copy images in AutoCAD. So this is a pretty basic function. It's very easy to do, and it can be very helpful actually when you need to create more than one object or shape. So let's get started. Alright, so there are a couple different options you have when wanting to copy an object. And the first one is really simple, and it starts off by going to the modified box in the Home tab, and you are just going to want to put copy. So we're going to left-hand click on copy, and then you're going to come down here, and it's going to ask you to select the objects. So for this example, we're going to select this rectangle. We're going to left-hand click on the rectangle, and then we are going to click enter. So now we've got our rectangle that we want to copy, and it's going to ask us to specify a base point. So this base point is where we're copying from, and then we will copy to. So we'll go for this corner as the base point, left-hand click the base point, and then as you can see, you can drag now this shape or the exact copy of the shape anywhere you would like. So for example, we'll just pull it right here, and we have it so that it's giving us an infinite loop of shapes. So we can just kind of make as many shapes as we want until we're done. When we're done, we're going to right-hand click. We're going to go up to cancel, and there we go. We have all of these shapes made. So now that we've gone over the slower way, we'll call it to copy, there is a little bit of a quicker way, and you'll get used to this the more you use AutoCAD. But the quickest way to copy an object that I have found personally is you're going to want to go to the object, we're going to select it, and then we're just going to left click, and we're going to copy. So it allows us to copy the selection. Again, very quick way, very fast, and just gets the job done. Okay, so normally when you're copying an object, it will allow you to make infinite number of shapes until you tell it to stop. So for example, when I want to copy this rectangle right here, I'm going to click enter, specify the base point, and as you can see, it will let me make an infinite amount of shapes till I cancel that function. Now, if you want to make just one shape, which can come in handy sometimes and can be useful, there is a way to do so. So the way to do that is you are going to go down to your bottom command bar, type in copy mode right there, and then as you can see it's on 0, so we want to turn it to 1. So we are going to click 1, then enter, and now if we go up and press the copy button, go right here, and then enter, specify a base point, we're going to bring this one over, and as you can see, it will only let me do one copy. It doesn't continuously allow me to copy. Alright, so the last and final thing you can do with the copy function is you can create an array. So the way to do this is very simple. You're going to start out with the shape that you want to create an array with. So for this example, we have the pentagon in the middle. And then we're going to go up to the copy function or copy button again, left-hand click, and it's going to start off like any other copy button or any other object you want to copy. So we are going to select the object, left click, we're going to press enter, we're going to specify our base point, and then right here is where it differs. So instead of continuously on to copy the object, we're going to type in the box below, array. So press enter. Now this is going to ask you, you're supposed to enter the number of items to array. So for example, this will include your base object here. So if you want 3 objects, it will, if you want 3, you have to type in 3 and it will include your current one in there. So it's going to give you 2 additional plus the one that you're seeing. So we'll type in 3 because we want 3 total. Enter. And as you can see, it's going to bring out 2 extra objects, 3 objects total. And you can orient them any way you want, however close. You really have a lot of options with the array function itself. Alright, so that's going to wrap up the video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you have any additional things to say or any better ways to do something, leave them in the comments section. If you haven't already, check out the rest of my videos. Hopefully they're as helpful as this. And again, thank you for watching my video, and I hope everyone has a good rest of their day.